Okay, hello. Today, or for this example, I'm going to show you how to verify a polygon. And my example is using a right triangle. So first, you have to first you have to have an equation or a set of points. So these points are 4, 0, 2, 1, and -1, -5. So first you have to find the distance between each point. So let's name this A, B, and C. You have to find A and B, B and C, and A and C. So first let's do A and B. And in order to solve, you use the distance formula. So the distance formula is D equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay, so let's do this. So 2 from B, the x of B, minus the x of A, which is 4, squared, plus the second y, which is 1, minus 0, squared, which equals, first you solve in the parentheses, so 2 minus 4 is -2 squared, and then 1 minus 0 is 1 squared. And to simplify that, -2 squared is 4, and 1 squared is 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer for AB is the square root of 5. Now let's do BC. So the x of C is -1 minus 2, the x of B, squared plus second y, which is -5 minus 1 squared. And now we simplify. Solve in the parentheses, which is -3 squared plus -6 squared. All you're doing is simplifying here. And then simplify again, so this becomes 9 plus 36, which is the square root of 45. Okay, and the last one, which is AC, points A and C. So that is 4 and 0, and -1, -5. Okay, distance formula again. D equals the square root x2 -1 minus 4 squared plus y2 -5 minus y1 squared. And then simplify, -5 squared plus -5 squared. So this equals 25 plus 25, because 2 negatives equal positive. And then this equals the square root of 50. Now to solve for the right triangle, we use Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So the hypotenuse of a right triangle is always the longest side. So in this case, it has to be the square root of 50. So let's plug it all in. Square root of 5 squared. All we're doing is taking these answers. Plus the square root of 45 squared equals square root of 50 squared. So then the square roots and the square cancels out. 5 plus 45 equals 50. And 50 equals 50. So this is a true statement, which means these points here represent a right triangle. Thank you.